This video we will introduce the machine structure, the main structure of the machine. Firstly, the control system. This is a CNC control system. This machine series is a CEA series, and the main function is cutting, hollowing, grooving, and engraving. The cutting is realized by the cutter, mainly by this cutter. This is a coarse cut. This is a fine cutter. This is the coarse cutter, and the hollowing is realized by these tools, or these tools. You can see the hollowing sample, and the engraving function is realized by the spindle. It can realize the function of grooving and engraving. And we have to know which is the XYZ axis. For this machine, the x-axis is the spindle axis. The axis which the spindle is located in x-axis, and the automatic tool changing platform is located in the y-axis. For the y-axis, it can move right or left, and the spindle right or left. And for the z-axis is the horizontal. This whole part, horizontal part, move along the z-axis, back and forward. And this is the wood chuck and the symbol for fix the wood material. The spindle. The symbol. And this is the air cylinder control, the control cabinet, and the manual lubrication. This is the main structure, the simple introduction of CEA series machine, wood lathe machine. Thank you. Finish.